we'll go and try to understand answer 3 advanced features of analysis. So in the advanced features of analysis, we are going to learn only about some set operators are available here. One is called as union, then union, then intersect, then minus. In our data warehousing environment, this kind of any combining the data, these all things will be done in the ETL work only. ETL side only will do everything and will try to project here. But any one or two scenarios are missed out in the ETL side, those things we can do in the reporting side by taking help of this one. Am I clear? Right. So in this concept, we'll use below set operators like union, union, intersect, and minus. Before going for that one, let me give some questions here. These are very simple questions. Okay. Just I want to bring you out of the subject. 1, 2. Let us say B is equal to, let us say 2, 3. Then tell me A union B is equal to what, sir? What is the answer? 1 next, 2 next, 3. That is perfect. Now I am going for A intersect B is what, sir? 2. That is correct. Now let us see if I go for A union all B. What is the answer, sir? 1 next, 2 next, 2 next, 3. So from this one point you need to understand, in case of union, it is not providing duplicates. Union all will provide what, sir? Duplicates. That's what I given here one point. Union will not provide duplicates, whereas union all will provide what, sir? Duplicates. Whereas union all will provide the duplicates. Now, let us go for the next one. Let us go for the next one. Suppose if I am going for next one, that's called as A minus B. Please give me, think and give me the answer correctly. 1, 3. Only what, sir? Only one. That's correct. So whatever left out in the A, we need to write that one. Okay, now one more point what you need to understand is, let us say if you want to use set operators, we need to validate 2 more rules also. I am going to write here one query. Please let me know this query is going to work or not. I am select, then I am giving here EMP number, comma, ename, comma, okay, EMP number, ename, from the table called as EMP table, then union, select, DPT number, comma, dname from DPT table. Please let me know, is it going to work or not? Is going to work or is not going to work? Okay, it is going to work, sir, without any issue. It is going to work. Okay, all you need to observe is here, the first query and second query, the number of columns are same or not. The number of columns, how many columns are there, sir? 2. The number of columns, how many columns are there, sir? 2 columns. And first column data type is what, sir, here? What is the first column data type? What is the second column data type? What is the second column data type? That means corresponding columns data types are same. That is the reason if you go and execute it, it is executing and is giving the result properly. Okay. Now, let us say if I go and if I take here one more column, salary, then it is going to work or not, sir? In the above query, we have 3 things. In the bottom, we have only 2 things. That is the reason it is going to throw error by saying query block has incorrect number of result columns. Now, let us move on to the next one that is called as, let us say, I am writing here, instead of that one, I am writing, let us say 1 I am writing, execute it. Is it working or not, sir? It is working fine. Now, what is all validating is the number of columns, how many available here, the number of columns, how many available here, data type is available. These are the things what it's trying to map here. For example, let us say I am writing here, not the 1, I am writing here, let us say A I am writing. Is it work or not, sir? Let us say I am executing it, it is not working. Why the reason? Expression must have same data type as corresponding expression. If you see salary is what, sir? Number. A is what, sir? String. That is the reason it is not working. So that's what I given these 2 points here. If you go and see number of columns in 2 requests must be Corresponding columns data types must be same. These 4 rules should be holds good. Next point, in this concept we can develop a report from 2 different subject areas, 2 different criteria which are coming from 2 different subject areas or what's a same subject area. In fact, strictly speaking, I don't have this kind of data. But I am trying to make you people to understand by creating that kind of data. Let us go and try to see this one, the slides. Try to see the slides. I have here, these are the 4 operators whatever available. One is called as union, second is called as union-all, third is intersect, fourth is minus. Now, whenever this is the request one contains 2 things. One is row AA, row BB. Request 2 contains row BB, row CC. Between this one, what I am applying, sir? Union. Whenever you apply union, duplicates will not be repeated. That is the reason row BB is not coming into the result. Remaining 3 things are what, sir? Coming into the result. Whatever I given red color, that is not coming into the result. Remaining all are coming into the result. Suppose if I apply here union-all, then what happening, sir? All the things are coming. If I go for the intersect, only common thing, that is row BB is coming. If I go for the minus, whatever left out in the request one, row AA is coming to the picture. Right. To implement this one, I am following some 5 steps I am following. First step is called as develop a request. We are trying to develop a request using this one. I am taking 2 columns. One is called as customer column. Second is called as dollars column. And we have here dollars is between 5,000 and 15,000 available. 5,000 and 15,000 available. That means what, sir? I am capturing customers who paid 5,000 to 15,000. Request returns customers with dollars between 5,000 to 15,000. Next, if I go for the next slide, if you can observe here, combining with similar request. I am using this button, I am trying to combining it. Then, whenever you clicked on this button, it is asking you, you want to develop from the same subject area or you want to develop from different subject area that you can select from here. So, select same subject area or a different subject area. Next one, construct the combined request. So, we are trying to add the columns, 2 columns, same columns I added here. It may be same subject area or it may be different subject area. Then I am putting filter is what, sir? 10,000 to 20,000. In previous request, what is the filter you given? 5,000 to 15,000. In this report, what is the filter you are giving? 10,000 to 20,000. 10,000 to 20,000. Now tell me, what is the common areas are in these 2 things? 10 to 15,000 is the common customers, right? In first request, I have the 10 to 15,000 customers are available. In second request, also I have the 10 to 15,000 customers are available. Whenever I do the intersection, I should get this kind of data. Okay. Right. Let us go for the next one. Apply a set operator. Whatever set operator you want to apply, you can apply union, union-all, intersect, and minus. Fifth one is we are observing the result. Check the result. Result is coming properly or not. Yes. Yes, Srihari, please try to do this one. Yes, please go to the new. Go to the new option. Yes. Analysis. Supplier sales. Take here 2 columns. One column is called as customer. Second column is called as dollars. And apply filter on the dollars column between 5,000 and 15,000. Take 2 columns. One column is customer. Then second column is dollars. Second column is dollars. No, just move up. Dollars column. Then I want to provide filter on the dollars column by saying 5,000 to 15,000. Provide here between operator. Then 5,000 to 15,000. 5,000 to 15,000. 15,000. Click on OK. Now click on results. You can see here 5,000 to 15,000 customers, we are seeing it. Now I want to add here one more criteria I want to add. This is one criteria, yes or no? I want to add here one more criteria by using one button help that is called as combine results based on other same subject area or other subject area. Combine results based on same subject area or other subject area. Click on any supplier sales or supplier sales DM. Okay, supplier sales DM we taken. Then go for the customer column. Then whenever you click on the customer column, automatically what happens, sir? Customer column is added here. Then take the dollars column also. Then take the dollars column. Now apply the filter on the dollars column. Apply the filter on the dollars column. The filter is between 10,000 to 20,000. 10,000 to 20,000. 10,000 to 20,000. Click on OK. Right. Now we have here two things are available. One is called as criteria 1. Criteria 1 is coming from where, sir? Supplier sales. The range is between 5,000 and 15,000. Criteria 2, this is coming from supplier sales DM, which is range is between 10,000 to 20,000. And between these two things, what is the operator available? Union. Tell me now when I need to go for this kind of thing, sir. Let's say I have this kind of things. I have one SQL Server database is available. There I have some customer data. I have some Oracle database available. There I have some customer data. Or it is, let us say, same database, Oracle database only, but I have customer 1 is available, customer 2. Two tables are available. These two tables I want to combine it. How we can combine it, sir? By using, this is the only way what we have. Or you need to disturb in the RPD. In the RPD you need to do some calculation. Or you need to do in the ETL side. These two things we need to pump into a single table. Suppose they didn't loaded the two tables data into single table. In the reporting end you need to handle means you need to go for set operators. Of course, in the data warehousing environment, usage of this is bit less. But if you go for the OLTP data on top of OLTP, if you are trying to implement this one, then most of the times we'll use this one. On top of OLTP, if you try to utilize this one, we'll use what, sir? This operators more frequently. Right. Click on the results. I change the operator here. First change the operator. I am changing here operator as intersect. Let us say click on results. So I should get here 10,000 to what, sir? 15,000. That's what the common area. I want to get that one. Click on results. Then observe here. We have here 10,000 to 15,000 or not? 10,000 to 15,000 available. Okay. Similarly, go and check here with one more thing also. One more operator is selected. Let us say union. Yeah, whatever it is, union or union. Click on results. Then you can see here the common area values are not repeated. Whereas if you go for the union all, it will be keep on repeating. Okay, if you select here union all, then 10,000 to 15,000 whatever available, it should be repeated. If you see here 12,000 record, how many times it is coming? 2 times it is coming. Okay. Now, if people understand how these things are behaving, right? Let us say if I want to add one more criteria also I want to add. Can I add one more criteria also? Go to the edit. Next what, sir? Create one more new criteria. If I want to cut copy also I can do that one. Okay. Right. One more question is, let us say I have this what the question, sir. I want to develop a report. By taking one column from the subject area, let us say region. I want to take one more column, dollars column from another subject area that is called as supplier sales DM. I want two subject areas. From two subject areas, I want one column from each subject area. Is it possible or not possible? Question is clear? Right. Is it possible or not possible? It is not possible in case of OBW 10G. It is possible in case of OBW 11G. Okay. So if you go and see here, I have here one option. That option is what, sir? Add or remove subject areas are available. If I click on this add or remove subject areas, click on that one, sir. Click on that one. Click on that one. Then it is allowing you to select here supplier sales DM. So enable that one. Click on OK. Now supplier sales DM is added left side. From there you can take the dollars column into the work area. Dollars column you can take into the work area. Dollars column you can take into the work area. Then now tell me, this reason is coming from where, sir? It is coming from supplier sales. Whereas this dollars is coming from where, sir? This dollars is coming from where, sir? From supplier sales DM it is coming. From supplier sales DM it is coming. So if people understand how the things are happening here. Same requirement is available in case of 10G means you cannot do this one. Okay, right, sir. Right, this one. If you want to develop a report, one column from one subject area, another column from another subject area, one column from one subject area, another column from another subject area, another column from another subject area, then this is not possible. Then this is not possible in OBA 10G. Then this is not possible in OBA 10G. Then this is not possible in OBA 10G. But it is possible in OBA 11G. But it is possible in OBA 11G. OBA 11G. But it is possible in OBA 11G. Full stop. However, even in 11G also, it is possible if two subject areas are coming from same business model. Even in 11G also, it is possible. Even in 11G also, it is possible if two subject areas are coming from same business model. If two subject areas are coming from same business model. If two subject areas are coming from same business model. Same business model. Same business model. What is the meaning is, suppose if I am going back end, suppose I have here, let us say I am trying to duplicate this business model. This is the duplicated one. Then I am trying to drag and drop here. Then check in changes, click on S. Now, if people by seeing this RPD configuration, you come to understand here, these two things are coming from where, sir? Single subject area, right? Whereas this one is coming from where, sir? Other one. This kind of thing, if I go on try to add in the front end, is it allowing me to add it? Even though that is available here, if you go to the new analysis, it is not reloaded. Let us go and try to reload it. Then new analysis. Then we have also here supply sales as 2 is available. Suppose if you go for supply as 2, your plus symbol is enabled or disabled, sir? Why? Because from this business model, this is the only subject area it is available. And or if you go for the new analysis supplier sales, then plus symbol is enabled. However, we are seeing here only these two things, or other one also we are seeing. We are seeing only these two things. That's what we written that point. However, these two subject areas must be come from our, sir? Same business model. If it is coming from different business model, you cannot do this one. Am I clear? Right. Okay. I hope this point already given diagrammatically in our notes. If you go and see this one in OBA 10G, to combine two subject areas is the only way. Whereas in 11G we can use your, sir, this concept, or we can add subject areas offshore, but the subject area must build same business model. Okay. I given that point, but I given different way I given. Next, the process is very simple process. Next is direct database request. We'll try to discuss this direct database request in next class. Okay. Right. Today we discussed 4 concepts. Number 1 is called as column prompt, image prompt, variable prompt, then combining the similar request. Union, urinal, intersect, minus, these all things will land. Okay. Thank you.